I'm gonna check the mic check. Yeah, so you might be able to see I got the ASV clutch lever now. It's a much better feel. I have the shorty as well, but this is just a nicer lever. So I also put 3 Hayabusa clutch springs with the 315% EBC springs, and then the Koso clutch plate. This thing grabs and goes now. You can definitely feel it wants to pull the wheel off the ground, and I'm still too chicken to practice wheelies. So I'm sure that'll be coming in the future. You can go learn how to pop it up. I also did the straight up pumps oil pump mod. So it's got the straight up pumps. Since I put a 37 tooth rear sprocket, I put the Speedo healer on from 12 O'Clock Labs, and that seemed to have made a big difference there. So you know, my odometer is going to be correct now. I put the Tusk shift lever with the Hard Motorsports shifter reinforcement. I'm still having neutral issues. It's kind of hard to find neutral sometimes, or get into neutral, so I just hold the clutch in. See if this Tesla's going to get over in front of me. Is he? So many bikers out today because it's 70 degrees in March. Going for that.
How's it going?
How are you?
Good. Can I also grab... Oh, I even stopped years ago.
Very final year.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Golden is popping today. So the bike rips now. DHM Toombs seems like it's finally learned. Still trying to figure out gearing. I think the 37's pretty good paired with the 15 tooth in the front. I can tell, you know, 55's pretty much 8,000 RPM in fourth gear sitting up. I would like to see 60, 65 for reliability or rideability. Up here that I hit all the time, and I'm starting to get comfortable. So I hit it in second, wheelie pop it. we got that car in front